we can go talking maybe when the questions come, perhaps there are. Let me take about maybe another 5-10 minutes. We talked earlier about how when independence came, because we had not done our homework, what we did was change the Gora with the brown Muslim as a ruler and continue with the same colonial structures and policies and instruments of governance. But here is the problem. The pre-1947 rules and procedures, however efficient or inefficient, apart from that, the pre-1947 rules and procedures are instruments of governance, as Lee Kuan Yew was saying. They were designed to promote the interest of the Gora in the country. They were designed to protect and promote the interest of colonial rulers. But since we didn't do the homework and we merely changed the color of the skin of the rulers and continued with the same, so we became stuck up with another problem. We stuck up with a system of governance which the British had created to promote the interests of the colonial masters. And we incorporated that system within our new country, which was supposed to be a democracy. A democracy is supposed to work. It's a government of the people, by the people, for the people. But the British colonial system, which we incorporated into our system, was designed was government of the few, by the few, for the few. It was a government which was designed a policy for the British colonial rulers to promote their interests. And this is why, as I said, about the professor who said 45 trillions were taken out in 200 years from such countries. So we had another dilemma after independence. We were a democracy, but we were having rules and procedures and policies which we inherited and we copied them, but those rules and procedures were designed to help only a minority. So in Pakistan and in Sindh especially, we ended up with what? We ended up with a system of governance for the few, by the few, and it continues to serve the same people in the corridors of power. It's a system which is designed not for people, it's a system which is designed to benefit few. Earlier it was benefiting the white rulers, the colonial masters. Now it is benefiting those few thousand people who occupy the corridors of power, the brown Muslim ruling class of the country. Here is the contradiction. Your government is supposed to be democratic, your system of governance serving only the few people. Hence, I asked that earlier when I mentioned that we often complain in our formal and informal gatherings why the departments or institutions or the ministries, why don't they do their statutory job? Why don't they serve up the people? Friend here was asking when we were discussing before the session, the point is they are not serving the people of Sindh for that matter, because they are not designed to serve you. They are designed to help and promote the interest of the ruling class. Hence the frustration. Hence the frustration of the people. Why is it that they are not helping us? They are not designed, Baba, they are not designed for you. Realize the fact. This is an inheritance. You have inherited a system of governance and you have not reformed it. Every attempt to reform this governance, every attempt to reform political governance in Pakistan or Sindh has met stiff resistance. And nobody has been able to, only one attempt was made. We may agree or disagree with some other things, and very quickly it was overturned and nobody attempted it again. So, this is the dilemma we are confronted with. We are living in a contradiction. We are having a democracy but using a system of governance which is designed to help few, work for the benefit of the few people.
बस सिलसिला होगा है न तब्दीली की कोशिश कर रहा है केतरे कदर कामयाब होते जल्दी थी थे कामयाबी देख रही थी एक मु अर्ज को जड़ो तो भाई एक तो इंटरनल फोर्सेस होता है जेके पावर डायनामिक्स के चेंज कर आने वे इंटरनल फोर्सेस जेके वे मसलन गवर्नमेंट की जेको एग्जीक्यूटिव ब्रांच आहे उन्हें जे अंदर में वे चेक सिस्टम्स आहे ठीक है पर ये जो नेटवर्क रहो असांजे सिलसिले जो उन्हें में वो इंटरनल जेके चेक्स आहिनि या त डिसेबल करे छॾियो था वॾा साहब असांखे नथो वणे यू विल नॉट एक्सरसाइज द पोजीशन ऑफ पावर जिते तूं असां लाइ प्रॉब्लम पैदा करे ठीकु आहे फलाणो साहब जेको आहे उनखे कॉप्ट कयोसीं तूं असांजो भाईवार थी वञ ठीकु आहे इंटरनल सिस्टम एक लिहाज़ मां उहो ख़तमु थी वियो ॿियो आहे लेजिस्लेटिव ओवरसाइट हाणे लेजिस्लेटिव ओवरसाइट में भी असां वटि इहा रही आहे रिवायत उहो हिकिड़ो मिसाल मां ॾींदो आहियां बलोचिस्तान असेंबली जेको 4-5 साल अॻे उनजा 64 मेंबर हुआ कुल असेंबली जा उन मां 63 मेंबर गवर्नमेंट पार्टी में थी विया हिकिड़ो जेको न हो उहो मुल्क खां भॻल हो छाकाणि त उन ते केस हुआ ऐं उन 63 में सभु पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ हो I mean, every government जो छाकाणि जो गवर्नमेंट ते को चेक आहे ई कोन ठीकु आहे साईं त हो मौलवी जी पार्टी जेका ई नेशनलिस्ट जी पार्टी जेका ई मेन स्ट्रीम 3-4 पर एवरीबॉडी वाज ऑन गवर्नमेंट एवरीबॉडी सो इहो थियो everybody was scratching everybody's back so oversight function खत्म थियो साईं बाक़ी अच्छा थर्ड आहे से जुडिशियल रिव्यू उन्हें में जब असां ॾिठी आहे हिस्ट्री त कॾहिं साॻियो सेट ऑफ इवेंट्स they produce different results साॻी ॻाल्हि क़िस्म जी मुख़्तलिफ़ था अचनि हाणे हे इंटरनल जेके असां वटि फोर्सिस आहिनि जेके आणे सघनि था इहो डायनेमिक्स ऑफ पावर खे जेको बैलेंस कनि उहे या त डिसेबल थिया या कोऑप्ट थी विया अचो साईं ॿाहिरि हाणे एक्सटर्नल फोर्सिस में जी मूं अॻाड़ो अर्ज़ु कयो सिविल सोसाइटी आहे कमज़ोर आहे असां चेक्स एंड बैलेंसिस उन में ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कोन्हे उन में रिसोर्सिस कोन्हे उन में कैपेसिटी एतिरी कोन्हे आवाज़ उतारे थी हे इदारो आहे मसइलो दिस इज़ राइट हियर आवाज़ उतारे थो ठीकु आहे न ॿिया बि उतारनि था पर द डायनेमिक्स ऑफ पावर दी पावर इक्वेशन जेका आहे एॾो टिल्टेड आहे हिकिड़ी साइड ते जो ॿियो थी सघे थो आउटसाइड आमतौर ते प्रोफेशनल बॉडीज़ त सही प्रोफेशनल बॉडीज़ आहिनि ट्रेड यूनियन्स आहिनि चैम्बर्स ऑफ कॉमर्स आहिनि तालीमी इदारा आहिनि एकेडमिया आहे असां जेको ॾिठो आहे सो बाय लाइक उहे सभु उन रुगो पंहिंजी जेको नैरो इशूज़ आहिनि इदारे जा उहे उन ताईं महदूद आहिनि तालीमी माहिर जेके विथ ऑल ड्यू रिगार्ड्स उहे रुगो उन ॻाल्हि ते आहिनि जेके एकेडमी जा पंहिंजा यूनिवर्सिटी जा कॉलेज जा इशूज़ आहिनि National knowledge that knowledge is not extended to address the issues of society outside. बाकी जो media है on the external forces. Media में there are I think the deliberate measures उन्हें जिन आनंद के गाड़ी खराबियों में आए पर it is actually only outside जो थोड़ो घणो चेक आहे वो कुछ strident media आहे उन्हें जो बाकी उन्हें ना के को आप सीधा वजन ठीक है सही तो इहो जो इशू आहे ये इंटरनल एंड एक्सटर्नल फोर्सेस आहिनि त इन्हनि में जेके वेस्टेड इंटरेस्ट आहिनि उन्हनि जी इहा ई कोशिशि आहे हूंदी रही आहे त या त हिननि खे कोऑप्ट कयूं ॾाढा भाईवार थी वञूं असांजा जीअं अर्ज़ु कयो न 64 मां 63 मेंबर सभु गवर्नमेंट ते या वरी एॾो हुननि खे डिसेबल कयो त दे कैनॉट बिकम अ हिंड्रेंस पॉइंट इज within the confines of Pakistan, we must recognize it's an issue which has been created over a long period of time, and it is not going to go off easily. But if you keep hitting, and maybe those smaller drops will become an ocean someday. We have to realize that Sujati raising the issues may generate कि ॿियनि खे को तरगीब अचे या अचे त हा हिननि खे सां ताउन कयूं but it is a long struggle and it is not going to go away easy.
My question is what to do, what our kind of people, we are sitting here. No, simple, this is enough.
No, he Sujati था क्यों ना हमारे यहाँ सो पांच limitations है ना और ये limitations पे था ये कहो था you are triggering सिर्फ ऐसे तो न रहो ना हाणे ही जो डायलॉग तव्हां कयो था तव्हां जेकॾहिं विझो था पंहिंजे YouTube ते उन जी पब्लिसाइज़ था कयो you are triggering an action outside the room ऐं जो हलंदो ऐं ॿियनि खे थींदो हुयो so इहे ॻाल्हियूं जेके आहिनि न they have to continue because it's not an easy way. ठीक आहे महिरबानी